Cheers. If it has matcha in it, I want it. You know, if you're here, I can only assume one thing. You are as curious about matcha as I am, but you're like low-key intimidated. So, hello, my name is Lippy. Welcome to my channel, and we're gonna go on this journey together. So let's jump into it. So first of all, we're working with our friends at Teangle. They're partnering up so we can make this video, so big shout out to them. Thank you. They're doing a giveaway. Actually, they're working with me to do a giveaway. Go to my Instagram, go check it out, and go see how you can win yourself some matcha tea, matcha powder tea. So what exactly is matcha? Well, let me tell you. Matcha is actually green tea ground up, and so it's all very finely powdered. But here's the thing, because you're getting the tea leaves, it actually has 137 antioxidants that you would not typically get from green tea. So this stuff is supposed to be very good for you. It's a new year, we're building new habits, and matcha is going to be incorporated in my life. But let's be real, I've been super intimidated by it, okay? It's not the first time I've come across matcha. I buy matcha lattes, donuts, hot matchas, cold matchas. Basically, ice cream, anything. If it has matcha in it, I want it. And I've just never wanted to make it at home because I've seen videos and it looks very complicated. This is where Teangle comes in. It is actually not complicated. Guys, it's so simple. You can try it in many different ways. I actually already filmed making the latte portion of it. It's really cool. But before that time, I've literally never done it before. And the fact that I got it on the first try, I was like, okay, girl, I see you. Y'all. Okay, so what did they send me? They actually sent me this beautiful big box of matcha in the water bottles, like hello, and I like the packaging. They gave me 4 packets of matcha. We have this matcha ceremonial one. This is more their traditional fancy best occasion matchas. I use this one for my latte. We got the peppermint one. I drink peppermint all year long, so I'm happy. And then we got this chai one. Chai tea lattes are my absolutely favorite drink in the whole wide world, so the fact that there's chai and matcha together, they know me. This is the matcha ginger and lemongrass. This is the one that is a popular one that people drink in the mornings. I got a water bottle ready. We're just gonna do this together and try it out together. They also gave 2 water bottles, a pink one and a blue one, and I like the color blue, so we're gonna be using the blue one today. It actually has this little secret compartment down here so you can put your vitamins or pills or whatever. So if you have to go to work out, go on a walk. It's a very nifty bottle. I've never really tried it. I know I like matcha, but I've never done it so like with water. It's always been with milk, sweetened something. But if this is healthy and I can drink this every morning, why would I not? Okay. And let me tell you something. You don't even have to get boiling water out to do this. And I was like, excuse me, what? All you need is literally coldish water or hot-ish water, like warm water. It doesn't have to be boiled. It doesn't have to be ice cold. You need water and you need the powder and you're good to go. So let's put the powder in. Oh, the powder. A half a teaspoon is equivalent to 10 green teas. Like, excuse me, what? So let's get some of this powder. Put this back on there. The lid back on. And then just shake. Now we try. Cheers. Okay, so we've taken a couple sips. I've got my thoughts together. First of all, this tastes pretty good and it's healthy. Now, do I prefer lattes? Absolutely, but can I see myself incorporating this into my everyday, drinking one of these in the morning or like during lunch? Absolutely. I kind of feel like I'm doing something healthy for myself, which is why I can see incorporating this into my habits. And to add on to all of this matcha is organic and they have a great relationship with their farmers in Japan, which is where all this matcha is coming from. I'm kind of obsessed. I'm being genuine when I say I truly think I'm going to be incorporating this into my everyday lifestyle in 2021. It's something different. It tastes different. And I'm kind of looking for something to spice it up because I get kind of tired of drinking water and tea all day. And if you're interested, Teangle has a bunch of bundles that you can check out on their website. They have a subscription service. Go check out my giveaway on my website so that way you can win it for yourself. You can taste it out. You can tell everyone how much you like it. I am so excited. Okay, let me know if you guys want to see like a matcha's recipe video in the future. And that is the end of this video. I've been filming all day. I did a little photo shoot in my bed. You can check out that picture on Instagram with the giveaway. I will leave all the links down below so you can go get your own matcha. I had so much fun making this video. Thank you so much, Teangle. I am so excited to incorporate this into my daily life. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys haven't already, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button so you get notified every time I post, which is weekly, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, everyone.